Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Trade Diary 101. This is Sharan here. This is on a Sunday evening. I know most of you are still in the holiday mood, and we had a great weekend, a long weekend. Now we are looking forward to a great week that is going to come by. Right, I am going to discuss about Bank Nifty. Okay, most importantly, how do I take a trade? Where do we take a trade? And where are our important levels and zones, right? Before I go into that particular mode, I would like to give you small price action concept before I tell you what is going to likely happen, or what is my plan for tomorrow. Always remember, I'll just do one paint. Just hold on. I'll open this paint and I'll explain you a concept, right? So if you see this particular levels, these are called as, right, first of all, this is called as a range, where this is basically the support and this is a resistance, right? Now if you the price was in this particular zone. For us, I'm going to call this as a zone for me, zone number 1, right? The price went up here and then it created a zone. So usually, as per our learnings and everything, what we would look at, if the price starts moving above this level, we will go and enter that particular zone. Now, but there is one important thing that has happened here in our Bank Nifty analysis. The price, instead of going up, broke this level, right? This was an important support level which was taken out. Now, the price, after coming down, came to this level and started moving in as a resistance. This support has turned into resistance, right? Now a new zone has been created, right? So two things that you can learn. One is that the support that was there will turn into resistance, plus which we had a zone number 1 now has turned into zone number 2, right? Zone number 2. Now I'll show you the same thing in Bank Nifty as well, right? Let's go there. This is my group, sorry. Here, right? Here, if you see, this is the thing that I was talking about. Here there is a complete price action where there was huge gap up and everything happened and the price went up. Here, if you see, this is the zone I was talking about, right? Here it was kind of support, resistance, kind of support, again very close to it, came back and then finally broke this level, right? So your zone number 1 has been broken. Now after that, if you see here, the prices came down and started taking a support at this level and resistance around this level, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and on, right? So your support has turned into a resistance now, right? How do you trade this particular concept? Okay, very simple, very simple. How do you trade this? I'll show you. We will go here. Now there are 3 or 4 methods when you take a trade based on support and resistance. Now the first one, which I will show you tomorrow, is if suppose, right, if the price, which is here, right, one second, if the price is here, tomorrow within this particular range, if it starts taking a confirmation, right, it is around this level, right? So if it gives us a bullish confirmation in terms of a hammer or a bullish engulfing, we will look forward to buying it for this particular level. Our targets will be around this level, right? This is trade number 1, right? Trade number 2, there are many trades you can take in the support and resistance itself, right, in different ways. I'm going to talk about 1 or 2 of them, and then maybe next time again Bank Nifty occurs in a zone, I will talk about the other things as well, right? The second one is primarily if the price opens around this level, right, and gives us a strong confirmation in terms of a bearish candle, red candle, right, RB red candle with a good volume to break this thing, we will look forward for a shorting opportunity. It's very simple because the support levels have been broken down, right? If we get confirmation in terms of buying, we will buy till this level. If we get a confirmation in terms of selling, we will short this market, right? Now I want you to just pay attention for just 2 minutes. Even though this setup is ready for us, but I am not very confident on this thing. I'll tell you why. Because if I see here, this particular, even this zone, support zone breaks, I have a very short period of, or a short target. to this level. Why? Because this is the gap that has been created, right? There is a small gap that has been created. So there is a very high chances usually prices touch or complete or cover a gap and then run away, right? So I am a little aware, I need to be a little aware, or you have to be very aware about this point while taking this trade tomorrow, right? So having said that, let's say we straight away get into 3 or 4 setups that I can see in Bank Nifty. If any of that occurs, we will take a trade. Now let me get back, just hold on. I'll just mark it again once. Simple alt H, and then alt, right? So set trade number 1, very simple. If the price opens within this zone, right? If the price opens within this zone, right, and hovers around and crosses this particular support level, we will look forward to shorting the market only till this level. Okay, even before that we would like to exit, right? Very small trade we will get here. That will be trade number 1, right? Trade number 2, I hope this is clear. Trade number 1, very simple. If it price opens here somewhere around this level itself and tries to break this support level, we will take a shorting opportunity till this level, right? If suppose the price opens below this level, trade number 2, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Trade number 2 is very important, because if there is a gap down tomorrow, I don't know it's going to happen or not. If it happens, we will be very careful at this level, right? 37,200 to 37,174, about 50 points from 37,175. We will be very cautious, because this is a gap that prices may just cover this gap and move up, right? So if that happens, we will look forward to entering for maybe this level, trade targets of 37,500 levels, right? So that will be my trade number 2. Right now, trade number 3 for us, what we can do is, if suppose there is a kind of entry or gap opening here at this level, then we will wait for the resistance which is here. If it opens here, we want to see if the resistance is broken. Above this, we will go to and buy it, right? Very simple. There are other ways also to trade in support and resistance zones, which I will talk in the coming sessions. So please do share, like, subscribe to this channel, so you keep getting a lot of knowledge about trading. All my experience, I'll just share my experiences of trading in the last so many years. Also being in a financial institution which was there in the stock market day in and day out. So I'm going to share my experiences. So please do share, subscribe to the channel. Now, what if, Sharan, tomorrow the price opens in between here? What do I do? Then you don't do anything. You just hold on to the game, wait for the first 45 minutes or 1 hour to see how the price reacts. Probably only after that we will look forward to taking a trade. So anything that we have not discussed, we will not take a trade tomorrow. We will wait and see for any particular price action. I have also shared a video on Nifty for tomorrow, so you can search for Nifty as well. There I have got very good zones to trade, right? Better than the Bank Nifty setups there are. In the coming videos, I'll also share about the open interest and everything else. How do we take all these things into consideration as well, right? So I only look at 2 things. One is zones and the other one is price. Other than this, I never look at anything else. So with all these helps, I will try and give you as much as I can. All right. Thank you, and please do subscribe to my channel. That would be great to you all. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.